久駅です。忘れ物が違います。はい、タオルとかハンカチ、携帯、その他忘れ物。
Good morning world. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Pag di pa kayo nag-subscribe, mag-uumpisa pa lang tayo ng channel. This is my life in Japan. Kabababa lang ng bus. This is a bus. Public bus, guys. We're going to work. This way going to my work. It's summertime. "7:35 in the morning, guys. Napaka-init na ng panahon. Bago pumasok, punta muna tayo sa drink. Kahit mainit, guys, punta muna tayo sa kapihan. Ito yung village na lagi kong dinadaanan papuntang work. I share to you the beauty, the nature, the beautiful nature here in Japan. This is my life, walking only. And guys, peaceful place and very clean. Simple life here in Japan. My daily routine, guys, walking after bus, walking again, going to my work, guys. This is my life in Japan.